Sa pagsasolve ng age problems, dapat marunong kang umintindi ng mga grammar sa English. And then dapat, alam mo ito kung paano translate into mathematical equation. Okay, parang ito. Mark is now 4 times as old as his brother John. In 6 years, Mark will be twice as old as John will be then. Find their present age. So, ano yung mga key dito? So, okay, so alamin muna natin yung mga bida. Si Mark at si John. Sila yung mga bida dito. And then sabi, si Mark daw ay 4 times na mas matanda. Oh, yan oh. As old as kaysa sa brothers, kaysa sa kapatid niyang si John. In 6 years, Mark will be twice. Okay, so madodoble daw yung edad ni Mark sa edad ni John. Find their present age. Una, gawa tayo ng table. So, sino yung mga bida natin? Si Mark at si John. Okay, sabihin na natin yung edad ni Mark ay M at yung edad ni John ay J. Okay, ito is yung present. So, sabihin natin now. Or present, pwede rin. So, now, yung edad ni Mark ay 4 times sa edad ni J. That is 4 times J. And this is just J. And then, in 6 years, sabihin natin 6 years, Mark will be twice as old as John. So, yung edad ni Mark ay M plus 6 kasi in 6 years. So, kung 5 years old si John, in 6 years, after 6 years, siya naman ay 11. So, nag-plus siya ng 6. So, M plus 6. And ito, J plus 6 din. Siyempre, pareho silang tatanda. Okay, so ano yung equation natin dito? So, M, so yung edad ni Mark in 6 years, that is M plus 6, is equal to twice ng edad ni John. Ano yung edad ni John? J plus 6. Kasi ano, J plus 6. Okay. So, yung M, palitan natin ng J din yan. Diba, M is equal to 4J. So, that is 4J plus 6 is equal to 2 times J, that is 2J. 2 times 6, that is 12. Okay, pagsamahin natin yung magsama. So, 4J saka 2J. And 4J, positive 2 magiging negative 2 pag transpose mo. Equals to 12. Then to, positive 6 magiging negative 6. 4J minus 2J, that is positive 2J. Equals to 12 minus 6, that is 6. Okay, solve for the value of J. So, divide by 2 both sides. Now, si J is equal to 6 divided by 2, that is 3. So, si John ay 3 years old. Ito yung edad ni John. So, ano naman yung edad ni Mark? So, diba, yung edad ni Mark ay 4J, o 4 times ng edad ni John. So, 4 times J, so that is 4. Yung value ng J is 3. Yung nasolve natin. 4 times 3, that is 12. So, yung edad ni Mark ay 12 years old. Check natin. Mark is 4 times as old as his brother John. So, 3 times 4, that is 12. Okay? In 6 years, so magdagdag ka ng 6. So, 3 plus 6, that is 9. So, in 6 years, si John ay 9 years old na. And then si Mark, 12 plus 6, that is 18. Si Mark ay 18 years old na after 6 years. And Mark will be twice as old as John. So, madodoble daw yung edad ni Mark sa edad ni J. So, 9 times 2, that is 18. So, that is correct. Next, si father and son. So, father is now 20 years older than his son. 20 years older than his son. In 8 years, the father will be twice as old as his son will be then. Find their present age. So, sino yung dalawang bida natin? Si father at yung anak niya. Sabihin na natin yung edad ni father ay F, yung edad ni son ay S. So, 20 years older daw. So, para maging pantay yung edad nila, ng anak at ng ama, So, S, yung F is equal to S plus 20. So, bakit S plus 20? O, for example, yung tatay niya, nagkaroon ng anak ng 20 years old siya. So, para maging pantay yung edad nila, ilan yung idadagdag mo sa anak? Sa edad ng anak. That is 20. So, in 8 years, that is future. So, that is plus 8. So, that is F plus 8. And then yung, syempre, dagdagan mo ng 8 years old, kasi tatanda siya ng 8 years, diba? Then, S, yung edad ni son, dagdagan mo ng 8. Then, find their present age. Sana yung equation natin dito? So, that is F plus 8. F plus 8 is equal to twice. Natanda nyo, twice. So, that is 2 times. 2 times sa edad ni son. So, twice sa edad ni son. Yung edad ni son, S plus 8. Okay, palitan natin yung F ng S. Para maging S yan, kunin natin to F is equal to S plus 20. So, that is S plus 20 plus 8 is equal to 2 times S, that is 2S. 2 times 8, that is 16. Combining like terms, ilipat natin 2S dito sa left side and then yung 20 plus 8 sa right side. So, S, positive 2S magiging negative 2S. Equals to 16. And then 20 plus 8, that is 28. Positive 28, nilipat mo, magiging negative 28. So, S minus 2S, that is negative 1. Negative S na lang. 16 minus 28, that is negative 12. So, negative S is equal to negative 12. So, dahil negative yan, gawin mo na lang positive. So, S is equal to positive 12. Kasi nga wala namang negative na edad, di ba? So, yung anak niya, si son, ay 12 years old. How about the father? So, age of the father is equal to S plus 20, you know. So, that is S plus 20. Ano yung value ng S? That is 12 plus 20. And 12 plus 20, that is 32. So, si father ay 32 years old. Si father daw ay mas matanda ng 20 years old kaysa sa anak. Tama ba? So, 32 minus 12, that is 20. Then, in 8 years, the father will be twice as old as his son. So, dagdagan mo ng 8 years to. So, 32 plus 8, that is 40. And then, 12 plus 8, that is 20. So, nadoble ba yung edad ni son para maging equal sa edad ni father? Yes, nadoble kasi 20 times 2, that is 40. So, ganyan lang mag-solve ng age problems. So, ito ang video natin para sa araw na ito. At sana nag-enjoy kayo at may bago kayo natutunan. At huwag kakalimutang mag-like, mag-share, at mag-subscribe at pinutin na rin ang notification bell para updated kayo sa mga bagong video.